So today at Butler Contracting, I'm fabricating a gate for a customer. It was messed up on site by a delivery truck, and the gate arm and the gate pillar have all been damaged, so they all need to be replaced. In this case, it's kind of unique because we got to match the existing gate, which is fine. So we can either manufacture new gates for you, or if one gets damaged, we can repair it or come up with a new design. This one is a fairly standard, easy design. We've done some in the past that have a bunch of angles in the design that makes it a little more difficult, but at the same time, turned out very nice. Customers were very happy. So the first step, we're fabricating the gate, doing it on this trailer, good workbench. I got it tack welded to the trailer to hold it stable for squareness, along with these two braces on top that will be removed after the gate is complete, just to stabilize it for squareness once again. Today I'm using the gasless MIG, which is a flux core wire. It's very forgiving for outside welding, just like a arc welder. It's suitable for the elements, wind and whatnot. Doesn't blow your gas away, so we can weld right on site. It's portable. We'll get it painted up, go hang it at the customer's location, and this job will be complete. To fabricate this gate, it's going to be about an 8-hour start to finish. The more complex, the more time consuming. Generally, a gate install would take 2 to 3 days from start to finish. I really enjoy fabricating the building process. Fabricating and welding, I have at least 20 years experience. Can weld aluminum, steel, cast iron, MIG, TIG, or arc. Pretty much any kind of fabrication work here at Butler Contracting, we can get it done for you.